Here are my 3 boxes that I've made, my watch boxes with some different joinery for each one. So this is the biscuit joined one, this was the first one made, and this is the Jeremy. This is the second one made. I spent a little bit more time on this. I tried to kind of focus a bit more on the details of the joinery, and it's done with some housing joints on the end. This is the James. This third one was also housing joints. I tried to do it quite quickly, and unfortunately it resulted in some accident damage. This is the Richard. Sorry, Hammond.